How to fix Play Store download restart. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the download on Play Store in every Android phone. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager page. Right here, click on it and click on apps again, and right here on this page it will take you into all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. As you can see now, all what you have to do is search for Play Store and click on it. And now after you click on it, all what you have to do is go to this data usage option and make sure to enable all those options right here, and then go back and click on the storage and click on clear cache and clear data, and then click on force stop and reopen the Play Store. And congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.